At the end of his life, Steve named 5 undeniable truths. 1. Don't educate your children to be rich. Educates to be happy. 2. Eat your food as your medicine, otherwise you have to eat medicine as your food. 3. The 6 best doctors in the world are sunlight, rest, exercise, diet, self-confidence, and friends. 4. If you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want, walk together. 5. The ones who love you will never leave you. Even if there are 100 reasons to give up, they will find one reason to hold on.